Hello viewers and listeners, welcome to the new edition of the program Creative Writers Poll, where we invited creators, writers and authors of fiction and non-fiction literary works interview. Our guest for today's episode is a very young talent and first writers of the book by name Littafi Ibrahim. I, regular host, Shehu Ibrahim Garkor. Stay tuned to be proceed. Good morning, Littafi.
Assalamu alaikum.
How works?
I'm fine, very fine.
You are welcome.
Yes, sir.
You are come to the interview
Yes, sir.
of your book that you have written.
Yes, sir.
Don't be proud.
Inshallah.
We want you to introduce yourself to your friends and listeners.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
I am grateful to Almighty Allah who spared my life till this day and gave me talent, guidance, support to write this book to make my dream come true. My name is Littafi Ibrahim. I am started my primary school at Darul Amin, Northern Primary School. And I go to Rahma Academy, I do my junior secondary. After Rahma, I go to Army International School, I do my SSCE. That is the brief about myself.
Yes. In summary, what is the content of this book?
Yes, I write this book about my family and my friends.
Yeah. Yes.
Just this book is considered about don't be frown,
yes.
or say fright.
Yes.
Frown and fright is the opposite. If I say fright is a bad attitude,
yes.
Because if passing you have bad behavior, you can't achieve anything in your life or in our life.
Yes. The next question is, how long did you take to complete this book?
Yes, I spent lot time.
Yes.
Because I started write this book since back 3 years.
3 years.
3 years.
The next question: What are the challenges you endured during this book?
Yes, it's 2 words. Let me tell you 3.
Okay.
The most problem I get in when I write this book is from editors. If I bring my book to show them, that they are telling me that need a lot of time. That is the brief.
Okay. Any suggestion did you receive?
Yes, I had more suggestion.
Okay.
Especially from Dr. Muhammad Ibrahim and Uncle Saliu Ibrahim. After Uncle Saliu Ibrahim and proprietor of Army International School, Ahmad Yakubu. And Alabi Hashim, the last one is M.A. Maruna. That is the all.
Lastly, when you intend to launch this book?
Inshallah, I launched this book on 6th December.
Okay, 6th December.
6th December.
Thank you, Mr. Littafi.
Thank you, sir.
Good, wish you best. This is the end of the program. Now you can follow us to my handle, to my Instagram handle, Real Amini FC. See you later. Bye bye.